Hello, my name is Andrea, and I provide customer success with Tax1099. And today we will do a quick video on how to import from QuickBooks Online into Tax1099. You do need to be logged into both platforms, but we will start here in Tax1099. I need you to click on Imports, QuickBooks Online. And here we need to establish the connection, so we will click on Connect to QuickBooks. You need to choose your company name or your firm. You could have a lot, but only have one, so I will just choose my Tech Atlantis. I'm already connected, but here you can choose what apps that you would like to connect with QuickBooks Online. It would also have a section here. It would say firm or install all. You would click on that if you want to install all of your companies or your firms within QuickBooks and Tax 1099. So I will just click on next. Click connect to establish that connection between your QuickBooks Online and your Tax 1099 platforms. And now you can see that my company's name is here. I will choose my tax year, which is 2024, because you can only import for the current tax year. You'll choose your form type. Here, the journal entry, you can check this box if you would like to add, let's say, payments that have been made with cash throughout the tax year, or any other payments. You can click journal entry, and that will include those payments. You can also click inactive vendor, and it would include all inactive vendors as well. For this video, we will leave those unchecked and just click on import. This is the mapping section. You already did it in the QuickBooks Online, but you need to do it in this section also. So you can select all, or you can select which box that you know your amounts are in. Once you do that, you need to come over here and click on the line and choose which box. So we're just going to do the cost of labor for the miscellaneous. Box 2, we'll do rents. And then we'll click next. Now this will bring over every vendor for the payer that I have in that section. I only have one, so my dots are green, but if they were red, you can click the name by the red dot, update any information that's missing. There will be a highlight red to let you know what's missing, and then you can click save. If you have a lot, you can use this flag button to filter all of your records with errors. I don't have any, but you might have a list. That way you can fix only the red dots. When you're done, it will be empty like this, and you will simply click the flag again and reset. This page is time sensitive, so if you have a lot to fix, you can export the errors to Excel, and that way you can fix them and try to re-import. But just remember, it's time sensitive. So once you get all green dots, you will click select all and next. And this is when they will be saved into the Tax 1099 platform. It lets you know how many records were uploaded successfully. And then it will also give the amount, a total amount. If you had 10 records, it will sum up all pages or all forms and have it at the bottom of the page. You can edit in this section if you need to, and if you didn't do it on the previous page, and just save. And then now you're back on the Manage Forms page. You can submit them to the IRS. You can have us here at Tax 1099 send the recipients their copy through USPS for $1.99, e-delivery for 25 cents. But if you don't need any of those options and you just want to e-file to the IRS, simply click Select All and Submit for this payer. It will bring up a pop-up saying that you haven't chosen to send the recipients their form, but it's okay. You can mail them out yourself, but you can press OK. And you reviewed and verified the data. In this section, you will need to add an address every single time. That way it calculates sales tax. Put an email address in. This is where the receipt will go and simply click Pay Now. And that is how you import from QuickBooks Online to Tax 1099. Thanks and have a great day.